Good afternoon, my good people. My good names are Macklin Lovandwa Ashona. Now, guys, today I went to buy few tomatoes, mangoes, and oranges, guys. So I want to show you what I went to buy today at the market and how much it cost. My tomatoes, I bought tomatoes at 60 bob, mango at 20 shillings, oranges at 30 shillings, guys. And my carrots here, I bought them at 50 shillings, guys. I have my arrowroots at 200 shillings. I have my maize. I want to boil them, guys. My favorites. I want to boil them. So, guys, join me as I boil my maize, guys. Yummy! Let's do this together, okay? The arrowroots, they're not for today. Thumbs up! They're not for today, guys. I'll cook them tomorrow, perhaps. God willing, I'll cook them tomorrow. Arrowroots. And for the carrots, I want to cook them today. Just a few. I want to take few pieces of carrots. Only 3. I bought these carrots because I wanted to make cake. My daughter likes cake, carrot cake. And since the schools are closed, I want to bake for her a cake. She likes my cake. So guys, join me as I prepare maize. I want to boil maize. So I'm using this pot to boil the maize, guys, because I don't want to waste the gas boiling the maize. I normally boil maize using the jiko, but for today, only today, I'm going to boil using the pressure cooker. Only today. Now I'll have to remove the I normally don't remove all the peels, guys. Let's boil together, guys. Let's boil the meat together, guys. My people, my people, my people. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you. And now I'm at 1,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you very much. Now let's grow together. Let's grow together. Yeah. Guys, can you see me? Really? Can you see me? Can you see this lady? Can you see this lady? Yes, can you see me now? Can you see this beautiful lady? Yay! Yay! Now, this is my maize, guys. I want to put little bit of salt, just a little bit salt to taste, and I want to add water. I don't know if you can see me, guys. Can you see me? Can you see this lady? Water. Now I have to cover it so that it can start boiling. It's tight. I want to put it on the jiko for it to boil. My maize is boiling. My maize is boiling, guys. Now guys, my maize, I think it's ready. Time to check if it's ready. Guys, I'm going to check with you to see if it's ready, okay? Let's check together to see if it's ready. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Let's check. Surprise! Surprise, guys! Surprise! Guys, it's very sweet. Very hot. Very sweet. Very hot. Very sweet. Nothing beats like boiled maize, okay? Thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for subscribing. For my returning subscriber, thank you. For my new subscribers, you are welcome. You are highly welcome. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, share, like, comment, give it a thumbs up, guys. Love you all. God bless you. See you on the next vlog. Bye.